With online banking alerts, you can receive a notification when activity takes place on your Cornerstone Bank accounts. Log in to the Cornerstone Bank mobile app to set up this valuable service. Once logged in, click your profile in the upper right-hand corner and select Banking Services. Manage My Alerts and push notification enrollment. If you did not allow notifications when you first downloaded the app, a pop-up will prompt you to register for notifications from your device settings. Enable notifications and go back to the app. You are automatically enrolled in Security Alerts to set up push notifications and additional alerts, like the Account Activity Alert, Available Balance Below Limit Alert, Card Alert, Current Balance Below Limit Alert, or Insufficient Charge Alert. Return to Manage My Alerts and select My Alerts. Here, you can opt in to receive push announcements, or we'll select the alert you would like to add and click Add Subscription. You may only add one alert at a time. Review the alert service, welcome information, select the account you wish to set the alert for, and, if applicable, the associated dollar amount. Next, select your notification delivery channels. With the desired selections made, click Submit, and your alert has been created. You will now receive notifications for the alerts added. You can update your alerts or add new ones right from this screen, or return anytime by selecting My Alerts from the menu options.